He'd kill us if he got the chance.
Hello, did you hear that? I'm getting astonishing news through that Francis Ford Coppola's 1974 noir thriller, The Conversation, is to get a 4K restoration from StudioCanal. When professional eavesdropper Harry Cole, played by Gene Hackman, hears something he might live to regret, or not. The film received a slew of accolades when it was released and won the Palme d'Or at 1974's Cannes Film Festival. It also includes a pre-Star Wars Harrison Ford. A lovely gift here, for publicity purposes only, not in the box set. The Jack Tar Hotel on one side, room 773, The Conversation 50th anniversary on the reverse. Splendid stuff. I'll be keeping that. Now the box set itself, very impressive. A preview here of what we can expect of what's inside. It's always a pleasure unwrapping these fabulous pieces of StudioCanal. As thick as a book. This has a magnetic closer on the side, and inside we can see some of the new artwork. Look at the quote first: surveillance, close observation, especially of a suspected spy or criminal. Inside we have the 4K UHD disc there to the left, and on the right the Blu-ray release. Pictures of Gene Hackman to the left and to the right. And of course on the reverse, his digits there against his recorder. Splendid to see the original theatrical release poster restored and reproduced here within the box set. And brand new artwork by Laurent Dureau, who's created a special 50th anniversary restoration poster. You can see Gene Hackman there playing his saxophone in the classic scene from the film. Inside, a splendid 64-page booklet with new essays looking at the making of the film, Gene Hackman, conspiracy theories, the Watergate scandal, plus a New York Times article. And of course, there's lots of extra commentary pieces here from director Francis Coppola, Walter Murch, the editor and sound designer for the film. There's a screen test for Harrison Ford and lots of photos. Here now, a cassette of the soundtrack. How wonderfully retro. The film is all about the magnetic recordings that Gene Hackman's character made. And here we have David Shire's wonderful soundtrack. All 14 parts, a piano jazz score. You're listening to it now during this unboxing. And a very distinctive orange coloured cassette, sure to be a collector's item. And this is rather cute. Inside the inlay card, a old style retro studio cassette inlay card typed out with the tracks for sides A and B there, David Shire's score, and on the reverse the rather professional looking inlay card you might expect from a cassette from the era. Splendid stuff. And now a quote from the film: "I'm not afraid of death, I'm afraid of murder." What a splendid set here from StudioCanal. The film sparkles in 4K. It has stereo sound too, as well as the original mono track. I can heartily recommend it. I've always been a fan of 1970s political paranoid thrillers, and there was many to choose from in the Watergate era, but many of them have faded away. The Conversation is here in sparkling 4K and is as relevant today as ever. But do remember, you never know who might be listening.
Here's to Harry, the best bugger on the West Coast.
He'd kill us if he got the chance. He'd kill us if he got the chance.
I've been involved in some work that I think will be used to hurt these two people.
Don't get involved in this, Mr. Cole.
I'm not afraid of death.
I am afraid of murder.